This is an activity from problem set 1, 12th problem, page number 29, where this is the given figure. It is said that xy is parallel to AC. Twice of ax is equal to thrice of bx. Xy is equal to 9. Xy is equal to 9. This is given. And the question says find AC. Boxes are given, blank boxes are given. We have to fill in those boxes. Twice ax is equal to thrice bx. Therefore, ax upon bx is equal to these two boxes. Now, ax, this bx, if you transfer here, 2 has to go here. So, you will get ax upon bx is equal to 3 upon 2. So, here you will get 3 upon 2. Then it is given, therefore, ax plus bx, this is added to the numerator. It is also written by component. So, in component, what do? If you add a denominator to the numerator on the LHS, same thing you have to do on the RHS also. So what will you get? 2 you will have to add in the numerator. So you will get 3 plus 2 upon 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 2 you will get 5 by 2 here. So simple. Okay. Now, these two triangles are similar by which test? Since xy is parallel to AB, let me remove 9 for now. Segment xy is parallel to AC. You may get the same figure frequently in different examples. That this side is parallel to this side. So you should always have a ready-made result that therefore triangle BYX will be similar to BCY. Why? Because this angle will be common to this angle. Corresponding angles. Similarly, this angle is common to this angle. Corresponding angles. Even angle B is a common angle for both these triangles. So we need only 2 pairs. So we will take this pair and this pair. So the triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. By AA test of similarity. So I am going to write AB upon XB because triangles are similar. Corresponding sides are proportional. That means ratios are equal. So AB upon XB, this ratio is equal to AC upon XY, this ratio. I could have written CB upon YB also. But I want to find out AC. So therefore, I will include AC and whatever we get according to that. So, AB upon XB is equal to AC upon XY. Okay? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Actually, this is the automatic conclusion from the definition of similar triangles. When triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. That means their ratios are equal. Okay. So, AB upon XB is equal to AC upon XY. But xy is equal to 9. This is given. So let us put it here. AC upon 9. Now the left hand side has been replaced by the blank boxes and the reason is given from 1. So AB upon XB, this is replaced from equation 1. So what is the replacement for AB upon XB? 5 by 2. So what should we write here? 5 by 2. Okay. AC upon XY, this is equal to this. But this has been replaced by equation 1. So what is the equivalent of this? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 should come here. Now you cross multiply 9 into 5, 45 divided by 2, that comes out to be 22.5. So the value of AC is 22.5.